first thing we have to make, or we will solve in a 5 by 5 Rubik's Cube is, we will make a white center. White center means all these 9 pieces, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, these 9 pieces should be white. So start from any side, and then you have to make a bar of white, a bar of 3 pieces which are together of this white color. And first make the middle bar, then the left bar, then the right bar. So first make the middle one. So for that, find all the pieces and try to bring them together. So see where are the other pieces. One is here, one in my cube, is here, one is here. So you can try and match at least 2 pieces like this to make a bar of 2, and then try to bring the third one. So one is here, I can bring this one also. You can bring it like this, bring it down and then match it, or you can bring this one also, you can bring it down and then you can match it. So one bar is done. Now I want these 2 bars also. So for that, try to make a bar on any other layer apart from this, and then we will bring it on this layer. So let's see, these 2 pieces are together, third piece is here. I can match these 2 pieces also together like this and this. Now they are together. So this is the white layer I was making, this is the other white line. I can match it like this. So 2 are done. Now make the third one. Find the white pieces in the centers. One is here, one is here, match 2 first, then find the third one. Where is the third one? One is here in my case, so I can match it like this, or you can match it, I can match it like this. Now I've got the third line also, and then match the third line like this. Now you have got the white center finished. Now we will solve yellow center. This is the yellow center. So we will solve yellow center. Opposite of white, we will solve this yellow center using the same way. So first we will try to make a line in the middle, a bar in the middle. So we have to make a bar without mixing this white. Keep the white on bottom and then try to make a bar here on the opposite side. Like this I can directly make a bar, but once I make a bar, you can see this white side got unsolved. So I will move it to other side and then bring it back. So I have this yellow bar and the white is also same, so it's not got unsolved. Similarly, we will make another bar. So let's see where are the other pieces, yellow pieces. Here's 1 2 are there, one is here, one is here, one is here. So try to bring them together and make a bar. So try to make a bar on any other layer apart from this yellow layer. You will make a bar and then bring it directly inside this place. So we can match them like this also. 2 are here. Find the one piece that can come at this place. So it's not on this side, one is on this side, so I can match it directly like this. One bar is done, and I can directly take it on top like this, and 2 bars are done. But you will see again the white side got unsolved. So what we will do, we will take it on top layer, move it to other side, and again bring it back, so that the white is still the same. So we have made 2 bars. Now we will make the third bar, third yellow bar. Let's see where are the pieces, yellow pieces. One is here, 2 are here. So we can match it like this. 2 are matched. First try to match any 2, then try to match the third one. So third one is here. What we can do is move it to other layer, bring it on the top, and then match it like this. So once we have 3 bars like this, now how to take it on top without mixing the white? You can take it on top like this. Take it on top, move it to other side, and bring it back. This is how you make a yellow and white cross.